The Southeastern Shield logo appears with the text, Southeastern Louisiana University.
Every time I'm back on this campus, I'm 18 years old again, with big eyes, big dreams, and big hair.
Text on screen, Robin Roberts, Mass Communication Alumna, 1983.
And yes, the optics may have changed, but the Southeastern spirit has not.
Footage of Robin with Southeastern's women's basketball team, Rumi the Lion, and speaking with peers.
Good Morning America co-anchor Robin Roberts, Governor John Bell Edwards, representatives of Southeastern Louisiana University and officials gathered together Thursday afternoon, November 2nd, to celebrate the official groundbreaking for the construction of the Robin Roberts Broadcast Media Center.
Drone shots of the Robin Roberts Broadcast Media Center under construction fades into architectural renderings of the center.
And the $40 million renovation of D Vickers Hall.
Text on screen, William S. Wainwright, Ph.D., Southeastern Louisiana University President.
A public investment brought to fruition by Louisiana leaders representative of resilience and progress. A private investment by a remarkable individual who lives Southeastern's core values of excellence and caring.
Text on screen, John Bell Edwards, Louisiana Governor.
This renovation of D Vickers Hall, this addition of the Robin Roberts Center, will mean so much for so many students for generations to come.
Architectural renderings of the center.
The Robin Roberts Broadcast Media Center will add an additional 33,000 square feet to the 80,000 square foot academic building, and will include 3 broadcast media studios, a newsroom, a film studio, and a multimedia studio.
All I can say is line up and onward our Southeastern. Thank you.
The Southeastern Shield logo appears with the text, Southeastern Louisiana University.